They're not here, pass it out right now.
Okay.
What's up, Portland? Yo, yo. Bird Gang. Oh, we really doing this. Solo dolo, head to toe in some polo. Loud Lauren on a Wednesday. Now Shawty just want my photo. Click, click. Better remember the day before I be buzzing. Cause nothing just started running and now I'm turning into something. Yeah, yeah. Flow incredible, jumping off of this pedestal. Other rappers be terrible, they ain't even comparable. Got they fame for a minute and flex it like they just made it. But where's your other music? All that an illusion. Got you on a way that you didn't make, acting like every rapper in the game. Sick of rappers out, switch your style now. About to take you out, clock you in the mouth. Turn that music off, you ain't got the sauce. Work that 9 to 5, I don't got a boss. You be looking lost when I Rennie Mars. When I snag, then I flex it with a pause. Shut your little mouth, y'all can't even rap. I'm about to crack, I'm about to snap. Wait until the slap, put me on the map. Best believe I carry bowling on my back. You ain't bout it, I'm bout it. You ain't got it, I got it. Yeah, think you poppin', I doubt it. Watch out, I'm coming. Bird Gang. Turning seconds into minutes, turning minutes into hours, turning hours into days. I've been grinding all week, man. Turning weeks into months, turning months into years. That's like 3,000 hours. I can't see a comparison. Other rappers embarrassing. Screw humble, I'm arrogant. I keep rapping for the team, man. Chillin' till I hit the dream, man. Zahari told me keep my head up. Really thought about giving up. Now I'm back and I'm getting up. Same goal until we live it up, ayy. Too easy.